Jamie, what are you hiding? So that's his old turbo. Go on, and what you got here?
I want to give a big shout out to Precision Turbo for hooking me up. Oh, she can burn.
Holy smoly!
So I was with Jamie till 3:30 in the morning last night, helping put the Silver Surfer engine in. Morning, we received a phone call. Jamie rang up and goes, yo, he's got a surprise for us.
He's there.
He's at the unit. Well, apparently he's at the unit. So he rang up saying, yo, got a surprise, landed. So,
Your one's here, son.
So, nah, I don't think my engine's here. My engine's a fucking while off yet. Hey, Jamie, what are you hiding?
Nothing for you to see, bro.
Bro, I see some Precision boxes, man. So that's his old turbo. Go on, and what you got here?
Precision Next Gen 7285.
Active.
Yo, what's going on? I want to give a big shout out to Precision Turbo for hooking me up with a Next Gen 7285. 2 weeks ago, we had a bit of a disaster where the hose came off, got sucked in and took out the blades. We was desperate for a turbo. So we needed a 7285 to be in the FIA class, which is next week. Jack at Precision hooked man up differently, gave me the turbo and a care package. So big shout out to them, and big shout out to Alan Bill for getting it over to me ASAP as well. Next gen, you know. Next gen, you know. Next gen. Same back housing, 8585, 7685, 7285. So this should generate 1200 brake, they say, off this. So it would be good to see a comparison and see how this gets on with the Mastermind over there. I'm excited. Hooked man up with. So we have got, that's actually quite cool, you know. A Precision hat. We have a Precision t-shirt. A Precision hoodie. A banner. That's actually a very nice banner, to be honest. Last but not least, they have hooked us up with a lot of Precision stickers. So once again, big shout out to Precision for hooking us up. Semi-sponsorship for the big Silver Surfer. Oh, she can burn. No, I'm joking.
Jamsy's got himself a new Precision turbo sponsor. Look at the hoodie. That came in the care package. It's got a nice new
7285.
snail.
Snail. Snail.
Old boys going out and the new boys coming in.
Yes, sir.
Progress, progress, progress. The new Precision's in. Well, ish. New engine's in. Sabiel's got a new hat.
Have I?
Nah, you haven't. The banner's up. Jamin's down. The care package at Precision sent. Nice Precision hoodie. And a hat. Might have to nick the hat. Don't tell Jamin. Wait. Euro finals progression's looking good.
Radiator's bled. Fuel's topped up. Battery's charged. We're going to put engine oil in. Gearbox oil in. And we're going to give it a first run. Somebody really wants to be in the video.
Oh, where's your helmet? Musa, how come your tyres were on left to right?
No.
Got a chassis launch.
I show you my burnout in my dirt bike again.
No, they got a chassis in here.
Get out.
No.
Now you do it from the passenger side.
Yeah.
Musa, you've blown the gearbox?
No.
Yep. Look, there's oil everywhere on the floor.
Where?
The gearbox has a hole in it. Now let's see if your helmet's real.
No. Dad.
Yo!
But I use it in normal gearboxes.
What are you doing today?
What am I? You're interviewing me?
Yeah.
What are you doing today?
I'm just driving.
Just driving, you're cruising. Musa, I need to ask you a question. What do you think about Honda S2000s?
Cool.
You gotta give me more than one word.
They're very fast.
They're not very fast. Well, okay, we'll take it though. It's being nice.
Okay,
They're the best car in the world.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, PTSD, Jamin.
I'm tired.
I'll be tired after making all them noises. Sarge, can you peek underneath and see if the gearbox is leaking?
Looks all good from here. Joke's on him, I don't even know what a gearbox is.
You need me a
Musa, your dad told me to check if the gearbox is leaking. I don't even know where the gearbox is. Is it this?
No.
Yeah.
That oil is leak.
Where?
That oil.
Is this the gearbox?
Oh, no.
Oh, where's the gearbox?
It's over there, a leak.
The blue one.
Yeah. No, a leak.
The leak. Do a launch of AJ missing gear.
Holy smoly!
Was the hay getting out?
I don't know.
We'll let you out now, come on.
Bike. This is a bike. You get on it, and it got a nice circle engine. Dirty. Oh yeah! And this is the bike being like box shape. Red one. Tegra.
Who's that?
Me.
No, it's not. It's me.
No me.
Number plate and all this.
Yo yo! 8-5 to the wall.
8-5 more.
That's 60, 55 psi of oil pressure.
How about your TPS?
TPS is off,
Oh.
so that's a good sign. Go.
Jamin's just doing the turbo again.
No, it's not a turbo.
Yes, it is a turbo.
No, it's not.
Look, it's got the turbo hole.
No, that's not a turbo.
Jamin's doing some bumper finalization. That's what he's doing. He's finalizing bits and bobs, all ready to go. Reliable. Issue wheels. Someone's had an accident when bleeding the water. Just as bad as German. Naughty man. Naughty, naughty. Yeah.
That was easy.
Tell him again, Musa.
That was easy.
I know the hard part is putting you to sleep. If it's creamy, it's going to show you how quick meth mixes. Yeah. Look at that.
I can't reuse that.
No.
Tell you back in, leaving this.
Do you see that? And how long do we have it started for? 3 minutes, 4 minutes. There's times I've gone home with this old daily in my head I never knew. I used to.
I'll show you this car. Show this car.
What is it?
You want to see the engine? This is so cool.
Go on, show me the cool engine. Musa, there's nothing in there?
Yes, it is.
Where?
Right there at the bottom. I'll put that on.
You tricked me.
Yeah.
Go on, you get in there. Go on.
Yeah, you got one.
Okay.
Good fucking
I'll
shots
get in there. I'll get in there.
No, don't get in there. Your dad's gonna shout. 68, 70, Musa.
No.
The turbo on going. Inshallah.
Take it.
Can I have it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why does it look so small, Musa?
Put it
You know,
on here.
you know, Jamin, that's actually your fault. You know, I've been used to that big, massive one. Everything else looks tiny now.
9-1, 9-3. 9-3. 9-3.
Oh, I got no chance of getting the sixes then.
You need to. You could do a 68, 85. I think you need a 60. What?
Huh? Bro, I started off on a 58, 58.
But you must be a road car.
Yeah, every
Don't call no more.
road car, street car, track car, drift car, drag car.
68, 70 is the best level.
Okay, I'll go.
Or 68, 85.
85 is the exhaust housing.
Yeah.
Well, so I need to load up your bike on the trailer.
Is that on right as well?
Ready for Euro finals, Musa.
And I don't know I'm coming. Thingy.
Yeah. Come on, so pull. Beautiful.
Keep going. Keep going.
You should be a recovery driver.
This is usually be the hard bit, strapping the thing on.
Oh, strapping it on is easy.
Is it?
Yeah. I think it's easy now. Lock and lock. That's the Silver Surfer loaded, ready for Euro finals this weekend.